don't have to let the money come between us. No, they not even capable to feel us. Yeah. Why don't we just take the stacks and go to pizza? Yeah. That way you could lean away with all the people. Yeah. Oh my God.
Right guys, let's get straight into this video. Today I want to do a completely different video. Usually I install my hair, just explaining how I install my hair, what brand I'm using, what hair I'm using, what I'm doing to it. But today I wanted to come and have a chit chat with you guys, and I wanted to give you guys life updates, future plans, what I'm planning on doing this summer. And I also just, you know, wanted to talk to you guys because I feel like it's been a long time. But before we do that, so I have got Geniuswigs back with me. Okay, so obviously they loved my first collab with them because it was great, because that hair was just amazing. Like, listen, it was the crystal lace that I did. I'll link that video here, somewhere here, or somewhere down in the description box so you guys can go ahead and watch it. Their hairs are amazing. Like, I'm not even joking, I fell in love with that hair. It was so pretty. I also did it for one of my Eid looks right here, and everyone kept asking me what hair it was. People even did not even think that it is the same hair as the curly one. So I just love this company. When they reached out again, I was like, yes, let's go for it. I love their hair, like, love it. So let's open the box and see what we have today. So inside the box we get the usual stuff, you know, your wig cap, your baby hair. You know what, I think in the end I'm gonna just start selling these. No, I'm joking, not selling, but I'm gonna start giving them away because I've got plenty now. I've got another crystal wig. Remember you guys, the crystal lace is the new lace and I am just in love with it. I got such a cute note as well from them. Hi love, I'm so happy to work with you again. This hair is a 20-inch 200 density, okay, straight hair. Oh my god, 200 density straight hair. You guys know I'm a sucker for straight hair. Like, I just love straight hair. Guys, I just wanted to show you the difference between crystal lace and the transparent lace. So here's the crystal lace. Again, it is more transparent. I tried to glue it. It is not working that well for me. The glue is basically just refusing to stick on, but you can just see the difference between a crystal lace and a transparent lace. So you guys, the crystal lace just lays more flat and it is just more undetectable, and it also totally matches all skin tones. I really like this one because it's more HD. And the color is not like, you know, it doesn't show that much. It's less obvious knots, and it also has like small knots that mimics your real scalp, and that's what I like about it. So it's really soft as well, and it's more durable than a HD lace. So I would suggest, if you're buying your wigs, I would suggest that you go for the crystal lace. And you know what, oh my god, for me it is always the hairline. Their hairline. Can you guys see how stunning the knots are? Like, oh my god, you don't need to do anything with this. You don't have to bleach, you don't have to pluck, you don't have to do anything. You just purchase your wig, receive them, and literally put them on. Basically, that's it. Easy going. And me, this is the type of things that I like. I could be working with Geniuswigs every single week. Listen, the wigs are just fabs. Okay, so you guys, this year I'm just thinking about, you know, relocating. Don't ask me where because I'm not sharing, because I don't know yet. So I'm just thinking about, like, you know, relocating and just starting or having a new fresh start. That's what I'm hoping for this year. So just pray for me, you guys. Keep me in your prayers, and hopefully my dreams will just come through, because Edinburgh is such a nice place. However, I don't know, I just feel like when it comes to influencer lifestyle and stuff, this place is just not for me. I need to be in influencer friendly environment and stuff. Lately I've just been thinking about it. You guys, just look at this. I haven't even styled it and it's just I just love it. What style should I do today? Like, I just don't know. I always wear it center, and lately I've been doing a lot of side parts. So should I braid it? Probably not good at braiding. Probably shouldn't try braiding. Maybe I should curl it. Should I curl it, you guys? I'm just gonna use my JDD hair wax stick to just hot comb everything backwards. So yeah, this year, like, I've got so many amazing goals, One of my goals is basically to be on social media, just creating contents for you guys, especially this summer. Like, I'm so excited with like all the new colors, all the new fashion trends that are popping. So I just want to like concentrate more on just giving you guys content, making sure that I'm helping a lot of people or inspiring like a lot of people out there. I feel like that is what I like doing. That is more for me. I enjoy helping people, and I really enjoy, like, you know, inspiring people. See, when I wear stuff, people always ask me, oh, where did you get this from? People sometimes even message me and say, can you please dress me up for my birthday, or can you please dress me up for my wedding? Can you show me where to get this? Can you tell me who's a good tailor? Like, I'm always just inspiring people, and I think I kind of like do it for free. I should be getting money from these brands. I don't even mean like from people, but all these people, all these brands that I keep tagging for entirely free, and they've been making sales based on me. I need to get paid. Like, I need to get paid by these brands. And when I say that, I mean clothing brand. Like, I don't mean hair companies and stuff, because obviously I've been doing hair reviews for so many companies over the years, and that's going okay for me. But I'm just talking like when it comes to clothing and stuff, I want to be able to just show my creativity out there, because mashallah, like, I've got so many good ideas that I want to share, but I just need to be consistent and I need to be serious. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my air flaps here. It's easy to just mess this part up, so just be careful. I also want to start like doing a lot of haul videos, putting outfits together, and, you know, just get more into the fashion and not just do like hair and makeup. So at this moment, like, I've got another job that is not even beauty related. So currently I just work from home, just doing sales stuff. But obviously you guys know that's not what I want to do for the rest of my life. So I just chose it, just, you know, to get myself busy, to do something part-time, because all my future plans and all my future goals, what I want to achieve and what I want to do, I know that I'm not gonna get that by staying here in Edinburgh, which is another reason why I'm thinking of relocating. So as to where I'm gonna go, I might even go outside of UK, who knows? I might just move to America. My American people, what do you guys think? Should I join you guys in America? My grandma is in America right now, and I've been like planning on visiting her for the longest period of time, and I'm not going anywhere. Listen, I'm so lazy when it comes to going to America, but I need to do that visit because I miss my grandma so much. But I got to see her when she was in Gambia. However, it's just one of those things where I just miss her and I just want to see her a lot more. So I'm just gonna use my got to be spray, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray on top to just melt this down, secure it, you know. I'm just gonna use my JDD hair lace band melt and just melt this. You guys see that melt? Look at that melt. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the gel and just basically like put it on the edge of the lace.
Thinking about you day and night, yeah.
Has anyone set a goal for themselves this year? If yes, please tell me down in the description box what you are trying to achieve this year. It may be that you want to go schooling, it may be that you want to buy a house, it may be anything that you want to do, even if it's as little as wanting to lose weight, I don't know, or wanting to gain weight. Just let me know if you've got goals and tell me like when you're planning on achieving them, because I'm intrigued and I'm so interested to know. I'm just gonna melt this one more time, because this time I just want to like make the lace so invisible, because that's what this wig deserves. Like, so whilst I'm melting it, I'm just gonna go ahead and part my hair. So I'm thinking I want to do a center part. Look at you guys, look at the parting. So the parting goes all the way at the back, so if you want like one of those long partings, you can just go ahead and achieve it with this as well. Like, the hair feels super soft, which is why sometimes as well it's a bit harder to style But we want soft hair, don't we? That's all we want, soft hair. We want soft life and soft hair. So this year I am also planning on going to Gambia. I'm not quite sure like when, because I already booked holidays and stuff, but do I want to go to Gambia for my entire holiday period? I'm not sure. Last year before I went to Gambia, I went to Egypt and it was the bomb. You guys, I had the best time. I had such a good time. I was just there for 4 days and I did a solo trip. So it was the first time I'm traveling alone, and I really enjoyed it. Like, I must say, I really enjoyed my own company, because I feel like you need to enjoy your own company before you can enjoy anyone else's. Again, you gotta love yourself first before you can love anyone else. So I feel like that's just one of the ways to just, you know, improve on yourself. But Egypt is a must go. Like, if you guys haven't got Egypt in your list to go to, please put it down there, because Egypt deserves to be seen. It was so beautiful, and it was just like, and it was so nice because it was a Muslim country, and I just felt like super related. That's much better.
All my friends going up. Yeah, who's the real plug now? I guess that might be yours now.
Bro. Yeah. Who said this is a wig? Who told you guys that this is a wig? Who's fooling you? So I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron it. I know it is straightened already, but I just want to like press it and just give it like a heat pressure a little bit, and this will just make it even more sleek. So this year, like my relationship goals, honestly, I'm just like taking a break this year. I just want to take a bloody break from dating. I want to take a bloody break from just being with men. I'm just like so done, literally so done. I think this year is just all about me, and all about me just getting back on track. Like, you know, going out there, doing what I love, inspiring, teaching, free content. Who doesn't want that? Showing you guys how to slay. I'm here teaching y'all how to slay your wigs, showing you guys how to do makeup. So if you're not already following me on Instagram, make sure you guys head over my Instagram. Ooh, what do you guys think about this? I'm loving it. I am always loving it. Always loving Genius Wigs. Like, yes, so here for it.
Yeah, I'll be in a fuss. All my friends.
I'm just gonna take my powder and just enhance my parting a little bit.
I guess that might be yours now.
Guys, I wanted to braid this, but I don't think I can, you know. I'm so crap at braiding, man. Now forget that. Forget it. I don't want to curl it, like, you know. I feel like you guys have seen enough curling this week. I just, you know, want to keep it as it is, all nice and straight. Jazz. I'm just gonna go ahead and use some extension booster and just sleek that out. Guys, I'm thinking maybe I should do a ponytail. So I want it really sleeked out. I like using rubber bands because I feel like they just, you know, tighter, and they just, you can get that sleek effect with them. Oh, just after I said oh my god, this is thicker, so this one better work. I'm just gonna double it just to like fix the back here. I'm just gonna take some bobby pins and just basically like pull it through and secure, and bam, you guys see that? So I'm just gonna curl these ones. There we go. Like so. So guys, if you want, you can just leave it like this, leave it as it is with the ponytail here. You know, it's not that long, but it is doable and it is nice to just, it's a nice cute look. You can go out with it, you can just, you know, have a more sophisticated date night, whatever you want to do with the style. You can just go ahead and just enjoy it as it is. Or if you want to be dramatic like me, always trying to do something extra, if you have any extra pieces, like I've got this extra ponytail, okay, this is like a kinky straight ponytail, you can just add it on to just make it fuller. See, make it fuller and make it bigger. And this is more like bam, you know what I mean, like, okay. So in this video, what I've decided to do is, since you guys have seen it how it is on its own, I have an extra straight bundle, a bundle or two that I would like to add to it just to make it fuller and longer. So I always like to take a little bit out like this, okay. So Geniuswigs also have bundles for sale. You can purchase a bundle like this and you can also achieve this hairstyle. So I'm gonna use that extra hair that I just pulled out to just basically wrap around, and that's just gonna help me secure my ponytail without any bobby pins or any extra pins like that. It usually works for me. So, and then I'm gonna take the weft and just wrap it around. That's basically everything I do.
Oh my god.
So keep wrapping it until you get to the last part, and then you're gonna also take out another little string to just wrap around to secure it, okay guys? And this was the finished look. Yes honey, what do you guys think? Really liked it. I'm in love. Okay, what do you guys think? Did you guys like this style? If you liked it straight down, or if you just liked it within the ponytail with the added bundle, so let me know what you guys think. I am so glad you guys tuned in today and we had such a great chit chat, and I am looking for more chit chats, okay? Thank you guys for watching. If you guys would like to see more videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Support your girl, okay? It's entirely free content, and I'm coming up with more content for you guys. Like I said earlier, this year is all about me being serious, okay? Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye now.